Candles and Cake sounds a lot like a song we all know called Happy Birthday. So here we have the theme. Later on, we'll be hearing the variation. So take a listen with me. I'm starting with right hand on C position, left hand also on C position. Here we go. Now the variation. Beginning with the right hand, our thumb on middle C. Now, reach up an octave. Skip, turn R2 over to E, D. My 4 on the B flat, jump. Now, to the variation. Move my 5 up to C. Cross the 2 to E, D. 4 on the B flat. Okay, switching over to the left hand, I'm starting 5 on bass C. Next, F and A. B flat and F, hold that down. Now move my thumb up to C, B flat and E, jump. And back to F chord, F. Okay, now ready to the variation. I'm moving my 5 down to the low C right here. Go up. F and A. Stay there. B flat and F, stretch. Okay, move up, C, B flat and E, jump, and over to F position. Crossing over the right hand to this F.